place hotel right here in Boston, right? Far away, like half an hour from Boston.
Oh, we're half an hour from Boston, Massachusetts.
Yeah. And very beautiful weather here. And
but aren't we going to go to Cooperstown, New York today?
Yes. Today we go to Cooperstown to Hall of Fame. So here, beautiful location here, beautiful. I like very much about Massachusetts, Boston. It's so clean, so green, and even much better.
We're going to get in that big black bus.
And even better than New York. New York too crowded and too dirty, but here, so beautiful, so green. I love that. I love that. I suggest that we in the West, if we go to the East Coast to visit, we should to go to Massachusetts, Boston, and around here. Beautiful. Cooper what? And where are you now? Conley Road Bar. Yogi, how your beer? Good. We in the Cooperstown, the Hall of Fame baseball. So here we in the cooler Stone House Tavern, food and drink. We come here to eat and drinks a little bit. Very neat town, very clean, small but so beautiful.
Car doors probably weigh more than my car does now. It was show condition.
Hey. Here we in the Cooperstown Hall of Fame National Museum in Cooperstown. That's mean the history of the baseball. This town, they established the baseball first game in 1839. Uh-oh, Yogi, don't put the hand on the mouth.
Oh, you got the movie going?
Yes. Yogi, eat the finger. So fun. Wow. In the old days, they wear like this? Look like for women.
Yes. Christy Madsen, Miller Higgins, Hooker.
Yankee. Eh?